is using marijuana only a delusion? Or can it have a positive spiritual, mental, physical effect? I think morning itself I answered. There's nothing to do with spirituality. Marijuana and intellect, both are nothing to do with spirituality. Both will only waste your life. Since you are enlightened, do you plan to be born again in this world of matter? And no, I decided I will not take one more birth. Enough. But I'm going to live quite a long time this time. I created the body to live for a long time, but I'm not going to come back once more. Since divorce need to be avoided, how about having just partners without getting married? I have no problem. If both of you agree and your country agrees, who am I to disturb? It's up to you. And if the country in which accepts legally, is it legal in this country? Okay. So it's all up to you. But Vedic tradition, we don't usually accept. We say that, why we say no divorce, just to tell you that again and again changing the outer man or woman is not going to help. Once try, when it does not work out, just take sannyas, that's all. So that is the reason in Vedic tradition we insist on no. So some personal healing and personal question. All right. We can spend little time. Maybe if you have any experience about the morning meditation, 2 meditations we did. One is to process, not even meditation, process like a living mriga sharira, means the animal body, and the pranamaya, just filling the pranamaya sharira. If you have any experience, you can share, or any question, we can, so that I can help you to go into the process further. Tomorrow's process. Can a female become an enlightened master? Why not? There are so many women enlightened. Maitri, Gargi, and so many. From time immemorial, we have women enlightened masters, no doubt. One time you said dreams are minds, way of resolving and expressing some conflict within us. So when you come to us in our dreams, is this related? Is this our doubts expressing, or is this not related to conflict? If you see me in your dream and if you are able to remember me in multicolor, when next day morning when you get up, if you remember me, you remember the dream full of 4 color, multicolors, colorful, then it's my darshan. If you are not able to remember with color, just try to remember. Did you see the color of my cloth? Or just it's a black and white? If you have seen the color of my cloth, if it was colorful, then it is my vision, it's my darshan. If it was not colorful, then it is not my darshan. It is just a thought, it's just a dream. That's a scale. You wanted to any spiritual dream. Spiritual dream will have a strong impact on your inner space. You will be able to recollect like a movie. But ordinary dreams, you will not be able to recollect like a movie. It will be just a vague Indian Doordarshan. All right. If any of you want to share a few words about your experience of the first meditation, let us analyze few minutes on the first, then we'll send the mic.
During the first meditation, you said to get intense and make sounds and stuff, but I never related to animals like that. Like, I was imagining being like a fish or like...
That's no problem. Just let if your body is alive, that's enough.
Okay.
That's enough. Fishes don't make sound? I think we don't hear, that's all. I don't think they don't make sound.
Swamiji, I had a vision of a couple of animals while doing the meditation. Does that mean that I have taken those bodies?
Yes, sure. If it was a clear vision, it was a vague or a strong clear vision, clear picture. Literally clear picture. Then surely it's a samskara. It means that those engrams are coming out. It's like your prarabdha is like a Pandora box. Pandora box. When you open, it one layer by layer it will come out. So you are really opened. Good. Good job. If you had at least one violent experience that for a few seconds you lost the idea that you are a man, then successful. You have done it. You have done it. See, the purpose of this whole 2-day workshop, I have an idealistic goal, one thing, an actual goal, there is another one thing. Idealistic goal is you getting enlightened. But actual goal, I know to what extent you will do. The technology itself is powerful enough to make you enlightened. But your capability to experience the technology, your capability to put yourself into it, with that I have a practical goal, at least complete rejuvenation and the engrams which you use in day-to-day life, healing that. The engrams with which you suffer day-to-day life, like a simple basic diseases, insomnia, tiredness or chronic fatigue, basic diseases, healing you out of that, the addictions, and giving you the intense, the joy or the excitement. See, the physical and mental healing is the practical goal. At least this will happen. But the ideological goal is enlightenment. So this is the idea behind the whole program. This opening, feeling, at least for a few minutes, disconnected from the identity that you are a man, you allow at least the basic engrams which are constantly erupting in your life and attacking you, which comes out the moment you lose your imbalance. Usually you lose your balance little in anger or lust. During those moments, those engrams will just come out first. Those layers will be healed. Even that will do so much of benefit. That will take care of you so much. That is the purpose. So even for 2-3 minutes, you did not remember at all that you have a human body. You have done it. We have done the meditation for quite a long time, but at least 2-3 minutes if you have done. Okay. One by one.
So conversely, he actually saw figures of the animal. I guess what I had was a sense.
No guessing. No guessing. Straight, clear cut.
What I had was a sense of.
No question of talking this sophisticated corporate language. And people come.
That behavior like wagging your tail.
Yes. Again means you opened it. Okay. See, the sophisticated way of talking, sometimes they come to me and ask them, hey, did you do that work? No, I didn't get a chance. What do you mean by the word you didn't get a chance? Tell clearly you didn't do. Using the polished words. Tell clearly you are a lazy ... and did not do. No, let it be very straight. And instead of that having some daga words and very politely roundabout, talking straight, you should learn from Vivekananda. If you read Swamiji Vivekananda's lectures, it will be very straight. No question of this roundabout and using polished words and all. Very nice. It will be very nice if you learn how to talk very straight.
I had also feeling like an eagle and all kinds of other things, and goats and all kinds of other animals. Had a very intense experience.
Beautiful.
Experiencing the monkey. And it was the only animal that I really experienced intense aggressivity.
Means that your past, when you took the jump, see, past means it need not be just your last birth will be monkey. No. Last birth can be human being, but the jump which you took, you might have taken 3-4 human births also. Now it may be 4th human birth. But from the just before the human birth, monkey would have been the body. You would have lived.
Yes, and what then happened is that I got really aggressive, like it's so aggressive, and I started to like really like
Beautiful.
and I was like, okay, I'm gonna just like let it go. I'm just gonna let it go, and till I felt I was the last drop out of me, and then after that it was like finished.
Beautiful. You will see now again when you become angry or when you are possessed by lust, you will not have violence. You will not have that animal thing. You will have a grace. You will have grace. Actually, in our ashram, big problem is these fellows don't respect even if I become angry. Even if I shout at them, they go behind and talk. He looks very cute even when he shouts. No, these guys talk very clearly behind. You see, you will not be able to have that violence. That will be lost from you. Even when you become angry, you will not have that monkey violence which was sitting all these days in you. Now it will disappear. And one more thing, quickly you will be able to come back from anger. See, if the monkey is sitting inside, if you become angry, to come back, to settle down, it will take 2-3 days. Now, if that animal is not there, you will become angry, next moment, it will just disappear. You won't have that Mriga Sarira inside. Your Annamaya Kosha, your body is not just your body. It was having so many prints together. Now we are working to make that body as your body, that's all. Bringing the whole thing under you, so that you will live completely inside the body. It will be a very pleasant feeling if body is owned by you.
Is it okay to do just some visualization without the sound and movement? You still get results, getting the engrams.
Okay, yes. Because for some people I said not to do physically. Those guys, yes, okay.
And,
because it's more working on the engrams only.
okay, and then is it a practice to be done just
No practice. It is just a process to be done here, that's all.
just here? Okay, thank you.
But we will be working on the same in a deeper level by tomorrow.
The animals that he ate in the past, will that
No. Animals which you ate will not be there. You see, the suffering... No. The suffering of the suffering recorded in that animal's body, that suffering will be there in your body. The animal samskara itself will not be there. Whenever an animal is killed, it leaves a tremendous suffering. You see, you are not eating the beef or a cow which has died naturally. You are eating after killing. So it's naturally a premature death for that animal. It is being killed. So it leaves a tremendous suffering and depression, a feeling of unfulfillment in that flesh. So when you swallow those things, naturally those same feelings will be recorded in you, but the quality of that animal will not be there. And I have seen really vegetarian people are less prone to depression. See, I am not for vegetarian because no vegetarian company is sponsoring me. I am not sponsored by any vegetarian food producers or companies. From my experience, I tell you, I have done enough of research in the human consciousness, worked with more than 1 million disciples. So, I can tell you, surely the vegetarian food helps you, even if you are not a spiritual seeker, even if you are not a person who is interested in spirituality, even to live a normal life, vegetarian food does a big help.
Swami, I just wanted to know, when we were doing that exercise, it was powerful. What is your part in that exercise?
My part, to open up. See, there are many strong hard nuts to crack them. That's the first thing. Second thing, those karmas which is released, it has to disappear. Understand? And moreover, those vacuum spaces which you are creating by releasing will be filled by my presence. Understand? It's a very esoteric process. Usually when I explain this esoteric process, it seems like I claim too many things. So better let me not claim, let the experience happen. Even the thing which I claimed today morning that I am enlightened, I think few people are hurt. I saw one or two questions. Why did you say, you could have allowed us to say. You can't understand. Very clearly Krishna says in the Gita, unless I tell about me, you can't know. You will not know. Whatever you know about me is less. If you attend 2-3 programs, you will understand every program, your understanding about me is developing, expanding. The first level program, second level program, you just try to attend 2-3 programs, you will understand, your understanding about me expands. Krishna says very clearly, unless I tell about me, you can't know, you will not know. So there is no other way, I have to tell sometime, even if it hurts, it's okay. It's a very esoteric process. See, now as before the meditation, you had the animal parts inside you, those engrams and vasanas. Now that will come out, and the possibility of having an enlightened body will be recorded. So that the moment you decide for the next body, when you have the choice to design the next body, you will design to be an enlightened master. You will ask for the best model. All the model which you saw, get the best model. Hey, this is right. Okay, let's go ahead. Yes.
One more.
Yes.
Speaking on the food, how about plants? We kill plants to eat.
I don't say. I saw those consciously. I tried to scan, and plants does not have so much of consciousness to suffer, to have experience pain. But these guys experience pain. These animals. That's the thing.
Same with eggs too.
Eggs also there is a life. The possibility of life is there. With milk there is no possibility. People ask me, Swamiji, when milk comes from cow, egg comes from hen, why milk is vegetarian and egg is not vegetarian? If you sit on egg, you won't get, if you sit on milk, you won't get cough. But if you sit on egg, you will get chicken. And somebody may ask, no, poultry egg. Poultry egg may not have the male part, but the feminine part of life is there. You understand? The possibility, the feminine part, female part is there. So, the moment the possibility for life is there, it becomes non-veg.
Swamiji, I tried really hard to get angry in my meditation, but I found that I couldn't, and I don't know if I was doing something wrong, or I don't know if
I think you are not doing anything wrong. You are not able to open up, means that you are not able to get rid of this strong identity. All right, at least next layers, decide that you are going to break. Even if it is like acting in the initial level, it's okay. For a few minutes act, then you will see suddenly things open up.